Howdy folks, welcome to this video sample of layouts from the book Cue Ball Control Cheat Sheets. This is a book on how to apply precise cue ball speeds and spins. About the author. I am Alan P. Sand, a certified instructor qualified by the Professional Billiard Instructors Association. I've written many books on pool skills and knowledge that have helped thousands of players. Instructions. Set up these layouts with paper reinforcement rings, also known as donuts. First, pocket the 1 ball. From where the cue ball stops, pocket the 2 ball. Try the shot with the recommended speed and spin. After you own the shot, experiment with your own ideas. Use these layouts to rapidly master precision cue ball shape and position. When you set up a layout, take the time to make sure you can always make the shot work. Cue ball spin, the clock system. The cue ball spins used in the book are very precise. All Q-tip and ball contacts are exactly 1 Q-tip out from center, as shown in this graphic. The clock system helps explain precision cue ball spins. Cue ball speed, the distance system. Speed is the other critical ball control factor. This is the distance that the cue ball will travel based on the energy you put into the stroke. The soft speeds. Soft 1 speed moves the cue ball from one side of the table to the other side. Soft 2 speed moves the cue ball cross-side and halfway back into the center of the table. Soft 3 speed is a cross-side lag shot. The cue ball goes across the table and comes back to the start position. The medium speeds. Medium 1 speed is a standard lag shot. It goes the length of the table and back. Medium 2 speed is the lag shot plus a roll that ends at the table center. Medium 3 speed sends the cue ball 3 times up and down the table. This gentle shot only needs enough energy to get the 1 ball into the pocket. The soft 1 speed keeps the cue ball on that side of the table. This is sufficient to make sure that the cue ball stays in the comfort zone for the 2 ball. There is another option that can be used. Apply a medium 1 speed with stun. When the cue ball contacts the rail, there's enough energy to bring it cross-side and back into the 2 ball comfort zone. It does look cool because of the controlled side-to-side cue ball action. With a good angle on the 2 ball, the cue ball can be played to get anywhere on the table for the next shot. No matter how gentle you are on the 1 ball, the cue ball will roll out of the comfort zone on the 2 ball. The solution requires a solid 6 o'clock draw with medium 1. This sends the cue ball cross-side with enough energy to roll into the 2 ball's comfort zone. The cue ball will tend to align close to a straight-in angle on the 2 ball. Experiment with this. It is possible to pull the cue ball path a little higher to leave you more of an angle on the 2 ball. Make the stroke with a slight increase in speed. Experiment with this so that you can place the cue ball close to the foot rail as well as close to the foot string. There are 2 possible comfort zones for the 2 ball in this layout. Because of its position, both comfort zones are very small. When you decide which comfort zone to target, the shot will require some very careful attention to the stroke speed. If this is a slow table, you should be able to hold the cue ball in the comfort zone on the right side of the 2 ball. If the cloth is fast, then the comfort zone on the other side of the 2 ball is a better target. A third alternative is a double cross-side. Use a medium 1 speed 12 o'clock to send the cue ball off the first rail across to the other side, and then back to end up in the right side comfort zone. Practice these and other possible shots that can be played with this layout. You'll want as many possible options as possible. This setup has very few possible solutions. The 6 o'clock draw with soft 3-speed is about the only choice available. It's also difficult to place the cue ball so that there is more of an angle. This limits your options. If the next ball after the 2 ball is near the head of the table, it will be difficult to get the cue ball up table. You can try the 6 o'clock draw with medium 1. That will bring the cue ball into the comfort zone on the right side of the 2 ball. Play with this and do some experimentation. This type of angle on the 1 ball does come up quite often. It's worthwhile to play around with this and try various options besides the simplest one shown here. Make sure to chalk well on every shot. Thanks for watching this video about the Cue Ball Control Cheat Sheets book. Check out the blogs and books and deals on the billiardgods.com website. Good luck and shoot straight.